In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency in Udemy. By understanding the platform's settings and adjusting your account details, you can influence the currency displayed for course prices. Udemy typically shows course prices based on your country, location, and payment method. The platform automatically selects a currency depending on your region. Knowing this will help you understand why the currency may not be what you expect. To begin, log into your Udemy account using your credentials. Once you are on the home page, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can find various options related to your account. Look for the section labeled Location or Country. After that, you can change your country or region by selecting a different option from the drop-down menu. Once you have made your selection, be sure to save your changes. This may affect the currency displayed for course prices. It is important to note that changes in currency may not be immediate. You might need to refresh the page or log out and back in to see the updates. Additionally, keep in mind that the currency displayed may still be influenced by your payment method. During the checkout process, you should also check the currency being used for your purchase. The final currency used for payment can depend on your billing address and the payment method selected. Ensure that your billing information matches the desired currency to avoid confusion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.